Welcome to this video. My name is Tim Sir. I am going to talk about containers, which have changed how we develop and manage applications in the last few years. I'll guide you through moving workloads from Docker to Podman and then to OpenShift. Let's start our journey into modern application development with containers. Containers, the new trend in application development. Computing has changed a lot. We started with servers, then moved to virtual machines, and now we have containers and serverless computing. Containers are important because they let us deploy and manage applications easily and consistently across different platforms. Even with serverless computing, containers are still important for managing application deployments. How containers are used. Containers can be used in many ways, like developing cloud-native apps, modernizing infrastructure, breaking down monoliths, updating core business apps, and deploying apps on distributed edge devices. Because they're portable and scalable, containers are a great tool for solving many modern computing challenges. What Docker is? Docker is a popular open-source tool that many developers use when they start working with containers. It works on Linux, Windows, and macOS, and can run on laptops, servers, and the cloud. This makes Docker a top choice for developers who are new to containers. What Podman Desktop is? Podman is an open-source tool for developing, managing, and running containers on your Linux systems. Originally developed by Red Hat engineers along with the open-source community. Podman, also known as Pod Manager, is a long-standing container engine similar to Docker. It provides a simpler, lightweight, and secure alternative to Docker by operating without a daemon. Podman introduces the concept of pods, which are groups of containers managed as a single entity. Furthermore, its command line interface, similar to Docker's, ensures an easy transition for Docker users. Recently, Red Hat launched Podman Desktop, a graphical desktop client for creating, deploying, and managing containers. This client is included for free with Red Hat Enterprise Linux subscriptions and is supported by Red Hat, a trusted vendor. You can use it to run containers on Windows, Mac, and Linux platforms. Podman Desktop is user-friendly and has a convenient GUI that lets developers interact with containers and pods running in Podman. It makes it easy to install, configure, and keep your container engine up to date. Why we should move from Docker to Podman? Moving from Docker to Podman offers several advantages. Podman is a Linux container engine that operates without a daemon and allows container execution without requiring root access, making it more secure. When it comes to container orchestration integration, Docker is limited to using Docker Swarm. In contrast, Podman seamlessly integrates with diverse orchestration platforms, including Red Hat's OpenShift Enterprise Kubernetes platform. Regarding image management, Docker has its own dedicated image registry called Docker Hub, which is specific to the Docker platform. On the other hand, Podman provides the flexibility to use existing container image registries such as Docker Hub, Quay.io, and more. By switching to Podman, users can benefit from improved security, community-driven development, and the ability to seamlessly integrate with OpenShift for advanced container management features. I'm sharing a detailed step-by-step transition guide that showcases how to transition 2 Docker images to Podman and then deploy them to Red Hat OpenShift. If you're starting a new project or facing challenges with Docker, I highly recommend Podman as a reliable containerization tool. It's embedded in Red Hat Enterprise Linux, providing a cost-effective solution backed by the support of Red Hat, a trusted enterprise vendor. With Podman, you're in control. Start leveraging the power of Podman today and drive your projects towards success. Thank you. See you in the next video.